Right now at News 8 at 6, bright lights and burns, the worst laser attack yet in North Texas. The target, a medical helicopter.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Shelley Slater.
I'm John McKay. Helicopter ambulances are the fastest way to get the critically injured to a hospital, but a life-saving trip last night could have had a deadly ending.
Somebody on the ground pointed a green laser light right into the chopper. Now Dallas police are looking for whomever endangered the lives of those on board while seriously injuring one of the medics. Here's Channel 8's Janet St. James.
This demonstration video shows the blinding conditions when a green laser hits the cockpit. It's happened 75 times nationwide so far this year, according to the FAA, twice in DFW just this week. This Air Evac Life Team helicopter was attempting to land at St. Paul Hospital in Dallas with a patient Thursday night when it was struck by a green laser beam. According to the police report, medic Michael Pruitt sustained a burn to his right eye and was unable to see out of it.
This circle here is actually a thermal burn like a blister.
Dr. Albert Pang treated a similar case not long ago caused by an easy-to-get green laser pointer. Green and blue lasers are more powerful than red lasers. Dr. Pang says a concentrated beam can cause a serious burn inside the eye.
The light energy can produce such a high amount of energy that actually kill the photoreceptor, the cell, the nerve cells inside the eye that help you to see. And that can be a permanent damage.
Those burns are not treatable. Lasering an aircraft is a federal crime with punishment of up to 5 years in prison. An email from an FAA spokesman calls Thursday's incident involving the helicopter ambulance the most significant injury we've seen in the DFW area. The helicopter had to make an emergency landing at Love Field. The medic himself was rushed to the hospital. Janet St. James, Channel 8 News.